Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cake pans for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're starting your baking journey or looking to upgrade your tools, these pans are perfect for creating delicious cakes with ease. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's dive right in. At number 5, we have the Gizeme Suli 540 PCS Cake Decorating Kit. This is an all-in-one solution designed for beginner bakers who want to take their skills to the next level. This kit includes 4 Springform pans in varying sizes, 4, 7, 9, and 10 inches, giving you the flexibility to create tiered cakes or single-layer cheesecakes with ease. It also comes with an impressive array of tools, such as a rotating turntable, icing tips, spatulas, scrapers, and even fondant tools, making it ideal for both baking and decorating. The design and build quality of the pans are solid, with high-grade carbon steel construction and a non-stick coating that ensures easy release of cakes. The pans are oven-safe up to 445 degrees Fahrenheit, making them versatile for different baking needs. While the pans are durable, some users may find that the sheer amount of tools in the kit could feel overwhelming if you're just starting out. However, the inclusion of measuring spoons, parchment liners, and cupcake liners makes this kit a great value for its price. On the performance side, the pans deliver consistent baking results, and the decorating tools allow for creative freedom. This kit is ideal for hobbyists who love experimenting with designs, but it may not be the best choice for those looking for simplicity or smaller sets. Pros include its comprehensive set of tools and high-quality pans, while cons include the potential for clutter and a slight learning curve for using all the accessories. Coming in at number 4 is the Highware Springform pan set of 3. This set includes 3 round pans in 6, 8, and 10 inches, perfect for creating classic cheesecakes, mousse cakes, and layered desserts. The standout feature here is the true double-layer non-stick coating, which ensures effortless cake release without the need for flouring or greasing. This feature is particularly useful for beginners who may struggle with removing cakes cleanly from traditional pans. The build quality of these pans is excellent, with alloy steel construction and a durable springform buckle that provides smooth and secure closure. The pans are oven-safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and are known for their even heat distribution, which ensures consistent baking results. While the pans are dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to preserve the non-stick coating. The set's minimalist design is perfect for bakers who prefer fewer accessories and a straightforward baking experience. In terms of performance, these pans excel at creating evenly baked cakes and are ideal for beginners who want reliable, easy-to-use tools. However, the lack of additional decorating tools or accessories may make this set less appealing for bakers who want an all-in-one solution. Pros include the high-quality non-stick coating and sturdy build, while cons include the absence of extras like parchment liners or spatulas. At number 3, we have the RFAQK 100 Pieces Cake Pan Set. This set is a versatile choice for beginners and intermediate bakers alike, featuring 3 Springform pans in 4, 7, and 9 inches. The pans are leak-proof and non-stick, ensuring hassle-free baking and easy cake removal. With the included parchment liners, cake leveler, icing tips, and decorating tools, this set is great for those who want to try their hand at both baking and decorating. The design and build quality of the pans are solid, with carbon steel construction providing durability and even heat distribution. The non-stick coating is reliable, although hand washing is recommended to maintain its longevity. The kit also includes an ebook filled with decorating tips and recipes, which is a thoughtful addition for beginners who may need guidance. Performance-wise, the pans bake evenly and are easy to use, while the decorating tools give you plenty of options for customization. Ideal for cheesecakes, layer cakes, and more, this set offers great value for its range of accessories. Pros include its comprehensive toolkit and user-friendly design, while cons include the need for careful cleaning to maintain the pan's non-stick surface. Taking the number 2 spot is the Kutek Cake Pan Set of 3. This set includes 3 Springform pans in 4, 7, and 9 inches, making it perfect for baking tiered cakes and cheesecakes. The pans feature a detachable bottom and a Springform latch, allowing for easy cake release without inversion, a lifesaver for delicate cakes like cheesecakes or flourless chocolate cakes. The set also comes with 50 parchment paper liners, which complement the pans. Non-stick coating for effortless cake removal. The pans are crafted from heavy-duty carbon steel, ensuring durability and even heat distribution. While the non-stick coating is excellent for cake release, it's worth noting that these pans are not dishwasher safe, so hand washing is required. The overall build quality is reliable, and the pans are oven safe up to 500 Fahrenheit, making them versatile for various baking needs. Performance-wise, the Kutek pans excel at producing evenly baked cakes and are particularly good for layered desserts. Their sleek design and ease of use make them ideal for beginners seeking simplicity and quality. Pros include their durable construction and thoughtful design, while cons include the need for careful cleaning and the lack of additional decorating tools. And finally, at the top of our list is the RFAC K 133 PC's round cake pan set. This comprehensive kit is the ultimate choice for beginners looking for a complete baking and decorating solution. It includes 3 8-inch non-stick cake pans, parchment liners, icing tips, a cake leveler, spatulas, scrapers, piping bags, cupcake liners, and more. With everything you need to bake and decorate stunning cakes, this set is perfect for birthdays, weddings, or just casual baking sessions. The pans are made from high-quality aluminum, offering even heat distribution and durability. The non-stick coating ensures your cakes release effortlessly, reducing the risk of breaking or sticking. The additional tools, like the icing tips and cake leveler, make decorating a breeze, even for beginners. The included ebook offers helpful tutorials and tips, making this set a fantastic learning tool for aspiring bakers. In terms of performance, the pans deliver consistent baking results, while the decorating tools allow for endless creativity. This set truly stands out for its versatility and value. Pros include its all-in-one nature, durable pans, and beginner-friendly tools, while cons include its slightly higher complexity due to the number of components. Overall, this set is a must-have for anyone serious about baking and decorating. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect cake pans for your baking adventures. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy baking!